Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick you can use to make sure you never hit reply all when you really mean to just hit reply. This is great for those times when you get sent an email, there's a long list of people CC'd on it, and you only want to reply to the original sender, not to everyone. So we see here my dog Max's email account, and he's backlogged at 3,200 emails. Let's go in the upper right corner here and select Settings. And in here, we're going to change our default reply behavior to reply instead of reply all. And so this way, when we get an email from someone who's also copied in 10 other people on it, when we hit reply, we're only replying to the original sender, not to the whole group. We have to take an extra step if we want to reply to the whole group and make sure we hit reply all. Here we're just hitting reply. Scroll down to the bottom, hit Save Changes, and you're done. And that way, you only reply to the original sender and not to everybody on the list when you get a group email. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out practicaledtech.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.